Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now we need to scroll all the way down and click on System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Finally, you can click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, after that, autocorrection is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!